On today's show, I'm going to show you how to make the Croque-Madame. First, melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Throw in 1 tablespoon of flour and stir vigorously. Add in 2/3 cups of milk. Bring to boil and let thicken. Keep stirring until smooth. Once thick, spread on 2 slices of bread on both sides. Add Gruyere cheese on 1 slice. Add ham. Add remaining bechamel on the other piece of bread. Put together. Add melted butter to both sides. Pan fry until brown on both sides. Fry 1 egg. Add salt. Then there you have it. The Croque-Madame. One of the easier French recipes that you can create.